Today we're just doing a PM. We had to get up earlier today. Today I'm by myself again. The guy I was training is lazy. He wanted to go home early, so I was like, whatever. He said he got tired, so more for me, I guess. So he went home. I gotta go do a CVS at PM. Just a filter change is real easy, but I recorded a video yesterday at I think it was a DSW warehouse, designer shoe warehouse. It has 6 RTUs, I think, or 5. I think it was 5 or 6. And I recorded a video, but the thing is, I had my camera. I had to delete all the footage due to me having the camera on my mouth, which I'm gonna do it again today. Or I'm gonna tape it to my hat, probably like right here, like that, probably. All you could hear was wind noise. So right now we're gonna go to a CVS, go do a filter change. It's a 3-hour PM. So I literally have that. It's 5 minutes away from here too. So why am I waiting? No travel on nothing. So these past few weeks have been terrible for me with hours. I've called my dispatcher, my PM dispatcher, and also I try to call my service tech dispatcher to see if they got any work for me the weekend. The PM dispatcher told me that she has nothing, and the service call dispatcher never called me back, or never answered the phone. So now I gotta wait, hear from them. Hopefully I can get some work in the weekends. If not, I'm gonna go and find some side work. Easy day today. I had to wake up early to go do some training. LaGrange, which is like 2 hours from where I live. That's the closest office we have towards, us triangle people. It's 2 hours away, but like I said, not a big deal. At least we get paid for it, so I don't mind it too much. But yeah, guys, let's get into this site and let's see how this day plans out for us. Like I said, it might just be this for the day and that's it. But I'm gonna call after and see if they got anything else. Packing my stuff out. I cannot clean the mini splits due to the pediatrician not being here because the doors have alarms. So I guess it is what it is. Let's go ahead and throw this trash out. Grab my rope. I'll go ahead and do some paperwork. I need an IVR in it now. So what's going on, brothers? Going to work today. Late again. Because it is slow today. I recorded a little video yesterday. But of course it is. I didn't record enough. I only had like 1 or 2 jobs because I had training that morning. And we're not busy like right now. I got a 1.5-hour job. And I'm gonna see if we got anything else after that, but it's looking like I'm gonna come home early today and make no money this week. It is what it is. It happens. Gotta go say what's up to the peoples inside, and then we gotta go and mount on top of this building, and then do the filters, and we're out of here. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I need a 6-foot ladder too, so I need to bring my 6-foot ladder down. Guys, I'm not too sure why I brought this thin ass jacket, but I'm freezing right now. Freezing for real. I want to see if I can make this all a round trip. Let's carry the filters and everything. Possibly can, I think. Let me see. Yeah, we can. Let's go. But I think it's snowing again, and we got a problem. Nobody has the roof access code to the roof, so I'm gonna get up there one way or the other. I'm gonna grab an 8-footer, or I'm gonna see if the 6-footer, if I can climb up it. I doubt it, but I need to get up on this roof, and but they don't have the keys, I mean the code to it, so I'm gonna just grab my 8-footer and get up there somehow, one way or the other. I don't know if I can make it now. I won't be able to make it. Yeah, now I'm gonna have to go get my 8-footer. So it's like 2 more feet, or my 10-footer. I'm probably gonna get my 10-footer. But yeah, it is what it is. Look at my contraption. Alright guys, I'm here. We're here. It is freezing here. Freezing. Alright, she's done. My camera's about to die, guys, so if it does die, it is what it is, but old ones, new ones. Contractors open, these look great. Visual, remember guys, it's just a minor, so just a visual check. I'm gonna still jump heat though. We're gonna check the heat strips, make sure they're good. No limit switch is bad or a fuse. So there's also a heat pump unit, so we're gonna test out the heat pump as well. This is why I hate these right here. One of my the guys I was training with, he had one of these. I was like, keep those for when you need to jump multiple things at once. But I'm not. You're not gonna fucking. I don't want you to use that, especially when you're just jumping heat or like jumping just cool, because you're gonna fucking short something around. So they're gonna blow a fuse or something. So I was like, no. So I had to give them. Alright, so right now we're gonna jump on the heat pump. So on a heat pump, you're gonna want to do R, Y1, and you're gonna want to disconnect O because O is your reversing valve. Here we go. Let's see here. So I'll show you right now because if I was to energize, we got 24 volts, so it's energized. So that means O is reversing valve is on, which defaults to cool. If it's off, it defaults to heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it without shorting anything. Then we're gonna jump R to Y1. We're gonna leave my ladder there for now. We're gonna grab the filters and the tools. Move them inside. I try to throw these filters away as soon as possible because I don't want my van to smell like weed. So there's always a dump over there. So I'll do that and then I'll grab my ladder after I put my tools back in my van. Grab the signature and we're out of here. I'm here by myself and I'm far away and I don't want to put my ladder up. I normally just slide it into the van, but this one I wasn't too far away from the van, so I mean I was, but I wasn't worried about it. Let's go grab this big old dangle thigh and take it back. I love HVAC. I love it. I do love it. So guys, let me charge this camera, and while I'm charging, I want to do the paperwork. And I just think it's a waste of time. But let's go home, guys. That's literally all we got. And we gotta do our inventory. And it's snowing outside. As you can see, it's snowing. I'm gonna edit this video, send it out. I'm gonna put a little bit of from yesterday and a little bit of today. Got it. I found it. Side job defrost control board. Just replacement. Yeah, Dad? Unit is back up and running. The reason this thing was bad was because it froze over, so we won't have to wait until see if it froze over again. But it's feeling nice and cool now, so let's go grab our temps. She's good.